Student, I will show you how can you add footnote and endnotes in your MS Word document. Okay, so footnote and endnotes basically both are used to explain or to give some comments on your particular text. Okay, in your document. But difference between both is that MS Word places the uh, footnote at the bottom of the page and the endnote at the end of your document. So difference is only between their placing of location of placing. Okay, so we will do practical on it. How can you add endnote and footnote? Okay, so I will open a MS Word file. Okay, so so this is my file in which some text are given. Okay, so I will add endnote and footnote on these texts. Okay, suppose in your books like your Hindi book or English book, at the end of the chapter or maybe at the end of the book, the some meaning of the words are given in small letters. Okay, so that are the examples of your endnote and footnotes. Like I want to give, so I will add endnote here. Okay, so click on your text whose endnote or footnote you want to give. Okay, so I will select, I will click on the monitor. Here I want to add my endnote or footnote. So go to the reference tab and choose any option. Go to insert footnote or insert endnote. If you want to give at the end of the document, then choose the endnote. If you want to give at the end of the page, then you can use the insert footnote. I want that a student can see the meaning of this device monitor at the end of the page, so I will use insert footnote. When you click on the footnote, so as you can see, a number is appear here. Okay, so I can type any text like uh, is an output device. Okay, so my footnote is added. Now if you want to see, here you can see that number is appear, and one, if you click on it, if you place your mouse on it, so you can see the type text that I gave at the end of the page. So this is example of footnote. Now if you want to give the end note, then you need to click on the text whose end note you want to give. Suppose I want to give the end note of this text. Okay, a keyboard is used for typing. Now I will click, go to the insert tab and insert end note. So this is the end of my page. As you can see, this is the end of my page, sorry, end of my document. This is the end of my document, last page. So end note is added at the end of your document. Here some end notes are already added. So this is my third end note, and I can type keyboard has many keys. So if you want to see your end note, then go to your number. The number was 3. Here you can see my end note is here. Now hover your mouse on that end note. So as you can see, the text is typed here. Okay. So this was the example of endnote and footnote. Now you can do the same practical. Okay, to learn it. Now I will show you how can you add the hyperlink. Suppose if I want to give the hyperlinks. Hyperlink means it will take you to another spot on another location whose link is added on that text. Okay, suppose if I want to give the link on different parts of computer, then select this text. go to the